Boys, if your shoulders look narrow, waist looks wide, and your physique has no shape, your V-taper is getting destroyed. And no, it's probably not genetics. Most guys think they need insane clavicles, rare bone structure, or elite parents. Wrong. Your V-taper is mostly built through training, body fat control, posture, and proportions. Today, I'll show you the biggest mistakes killing your V-taper and exactly how to fix them. Do this for the next 6 months, and people will think you transformed overnight. Mistake 1, you train mirror muscles only. Most beginners train like this: Monday, chest; Tuesday, arms; Wednesday, more chest; Thursday, curls again. And then they wonder why they look blocky. Because the muscles you see in the mirror are not the muscles that create width. The V-taper is mostly built from the back, shoulders, and a tight waist. That means lats equals width, rear delts equals shoulder roundness, side delts equals broad frame illusion, upper back equals thickness and posture. Fix. Use a pull dominant ratio. For every pushing movement, do 2 pulling movements. Example, instead of bench press, incline press. Flies, do pull-ups. Rows, lat pull-downs. Then chest work. Back should be one of your strongest body parts. Mistake 2, your lats are not actually growing. A lot of guys train back but never grow lats. Why? Because they row everything. If you want V-taper, you need lat-focused movements. Lats create that wingspan look. Best lat builders, pull-ups. Neutral grip pull-ups. One-arm cable pull-down. Bonus tip: stretch position. Control the top stretch. Let the shoulder open. Most people shorten every rep and lose gains.